Alright, good morning guys. So I'm trying to assess the damage here. And so currently, when I came back from Ebisu, I actually left my car on the trailer at my good friend's Nobu's shop. So right now I'm going to try and pull as much of this as possible so that at least when I get home I can at least turn the car on and like kind of quickly back it up into my in front of my house, because trying to push this by myself is not going to be fun. All right, so I pulled this out for now, and just to get it out of the way because it was pinching the line here. Obviously the radiator is gone, but it did take a little impact here on my solenoid. I'm not sure if it's going to work anymore. I didn't hear it click, so I might have to purchase a new one. And my gauge didn't break, but the white chart kind of popped out of place, so I'm not sure if this is good anymore, and I kind of don't want to trust it reusing it, so I might just buy a new one because it'll give me false readings. So I don't want to mess around with that because that's part of the AccuSump. It looks like the cylinder for the AccuSump is okay. It did take an impact here, but I think the piston, there's a piston in here, so the piston should be okay. Power steering cooler is okay, so you just need to move this out, unbolt this, and the fan in here and everything is touching the crank, but that's just because the radiator is pushed in. And right now I'm working on this side, trying to get this pulled out. This was caved in there, and so was in here, so working on this now. So looking pretty good now. Alright, so got the car safe and sound at the house. I felt so bad for my neighbors because I had my half exhaust on, the one that I use for the racetrack, and it was so loud. So I quickly brought the car in and parked it as fast as I could and just shut it off because it was so loud. But if you can't tell, behind me is the famous highway of Daikoku, PA. Now, I didn't come here to chill. I actually came here to grab some food and use the bathroom because I'm extremely hungry. I'm still driving the trailer back to my good friend Nobu's shop at Joy Base in Saitama, so it's really far away, and I still got some time. But I figured go use the bathroom, get some food, and maybe just quickly go here and which is this place is big enough. This place is really big to, you know, obviously it's a PA parking, so it holds big trucks here, so that's why I came here. Here are some cool things that you probably haven't seen in other people's videos. Like, for instance, this wonderful water fountain here with a lovely bench. You can sit and eat your food that you can get here at Lawson, which I just happen to do. And guess what? They also provide trash cans and is labeled in English so that you can throw your stuff away and not litter. In case you have an EV car, we have charging ports here. And we have many different flavors of coffee and drinks over here as well. As well as these cool little ball machines with different car stuff. Look at that, it's pretty cool. Got a Type E over here. What is this, a GT3? Ooh. GT3s are beautiful, especially that year. I'm not going in any particular way, I'm just walking, but look at these Accord Euros right here. They're so cool. I actually really like these a lot. These are so gangster here in Japan. Ooh, Look at this P10 right here. This is nice. Oh, ooh, look at that. Oh, this is so good. Damn. Ooh, that is such a nice rear bumper. So nice, so clean. Now, this one doesn't have a sunroof though, but it is so nice. I love these. These are so good, so dope. And look at this S13 right here. This is nice, simple. I would daily something. I actually want to get another S chassis, just a daily, something like this, something simple. This is nice. Look at this magnificent 34. Look at the body kit on it. It is insane. What? Look how sick that is. So nice. Look at that. It looks good. I like it. It's an R32 GTR driven by a girl. So cool. I want to come over here because this looks really good actually. Simple. I like it. It's nice. Man, I'm seeing some time attack cars over here. Look at this. It's cool. Look at that. That looks good. I like that. This is the BMW squad right here. These colors are really good looking actually. Notice that the two Supras parked in the BMW side. Anyways, it was cool. I just wanted to get something to eat because I was starving. I haven't eaten all day. But back to the road, and let's go return my friend's truck back. Well, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya. Sora.